Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the actual snippet file. This is the only way to get full control. Open the command palette with Ctrl plus Shift plus P, then pick Preferences, Configure User Snippets. Once done, choose a language-specific file or New Global Snippets file if you want reuse across projects. Name it something clear, for example, My Snippets, Code Snippets, and save it in your User Snippets folder. You do this now so the editor recognizes the JSON schema, and you can author entries that Vscode will load immediately. Next, you write the snippet content in JSON so Vscode can parse and suggest it. Inside the file, you add a top-level object where each property name is your snippet title. For each snippet, include prefix, body as an array of strings for each line, and a short description. Use placeholders like $1 and $2 to control cursor jumps, and variables such as $tm filename base to inject context. Make sure to validate commas and brackets. A single missing comma breaks all snippets. Finally, test the snippet immediately. Open a file in the target language, type the prefix, and press Tab to expand. You should see the body and placeholder jumps. If it does not appear, make sure the file's language mode matches the snippet scope, and then use Developer Reload window to force a reload. If problems persist, check the snippet JSON for syntax errors. A trailing comma will stop it. Also inspect the extension host log for parsing errors. Fix the JSON and reload, and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.